make my way home. Do you hear me calling out at the top of my lungs? And man, where are you, where you been, and what you gonna do now?
Here I go again, it seems. Another sleepless night, another broken dream. Another day I'll have to fake it just to make it through. Well, I'm damn near going blind, searching for a peace of mind. I hear I'm talking all the time. What it is they say I'm supposed to see, I ain't seeing. I heard the sky came falling down. I saw the look in your eyes, and then I turned around and say what you wanna say. But I live to die another day my way. Remember that little boy in the photograph, and this broken piece of plastic that you said was gonna last. I found a rainbow I was chasing and it went black. I woke up from a daydream, now it's just a flashback. And painted cakes, they won't feed my hunger. Got bruises on the floor. The distant drums, God, it sounds like thunder. And still I just sit here and wait and wonder. On a phone call from an old friend. I guess he's doing alright, cause he's seen the light. Got bloodshot eyes every Sunday night. He found a quicker way to heaven when he took his own life. I saw a soldier boy, got laid to rest today. Back from the war, he didn't know what he was fighting for. They got another one to take his place, and hand grenades leave such a bitter taste. Talk to a runaway out on the streets today. Said he's given up, said he's had enough. But at 12 years old, what do you really know? He knows he's too young to feel so old. And painted cakes, they won't feed the hunger. We got bruises on the floor. The distant drums, God, it sounds like thunder. Still they just sit there and wait and wonder. You saw the saddest thing and couldn't shed a tear. You lost yourself a home and got another fear. But hold your breath and say a prayer, 'cause there ain't no easy way out of here. You kill the roses in your hand, and the sky